So yan, magandang araw sa inyo mga paps. So wala na patumpik-tumpik pa, mayroon tayong hiring na naman. At interview niya is May 2, 2025. So May 2 yung interview niya. Ito, may walk-in applicants din every Monday to Saturday, 9 AM to 6 PM. So no placement fee, no processing fee, no interview fee. So requirements to bring upon application: passport, at least validity is 2 years, SSS contribution, national ID, voter certificate or NBI clearance, PSA birth certificate with code and receipt, local birth certificate form 1A and 102 with receipt, certificate of diploma of employment and diploma, POAS certificate and registration. So nandito yung ano niya, yung ilagay ko dito sa screen yung lugar niya, sa Ermita, Maynila ito. No fees collected. Beware sa mga illegal recruiter. So wala pong fee na babayaran, libre lahat. Magdala lang kayo ng requirements, dito ko ilalagay sa screen. Kayo na bahala. So please subscribe to my channel. Tutok lang kayo palagi para sa mga bagong update. And peace out.